Want this? You saw the preview, now let's build it. Today, I'm revealing the secret to those viral Elder Funk speed ramps using only CapCut. No professional software needed, just your phone and a few minutes. Let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, open CapCut. Then, add your video clip. Anime clip. After that, go to the audio section and add your audio. Once the audio is added, scroll through the timeline. Go to the middle of the timeline. Click on Add Beat and use Auto Generate so beats are added everywhere. Now, arrange your clips according to the beats. Next, we will create the intro. Go to Effects, then go to Video Effects and click on Classic. From there, add the camera focus effect. Apply it on the starting beat. Add a keyframe at the beginning, set both speed and blur to maximum, then go to the end of that part. Add another keyframe, set both speed and blur back to 0. Now move forward to the second last beat, then go to the last beat. Go to Effects again. In Video Effects, search for Glitch. Add the Pixel Glitch effect. Adjust it properly. Do not change anything else. Now go back to the second last beat. Go to Text and add your text. After typing, go to Style. Adjust the shadow settings. Then go to Glow. Select the second glow option and adjust it. Change the font as well. Adjust everything properly. Now we will create a speed ramp edit. First, add your anime clips. After adding them, cut each clip to around 0.5 seconds, split them and arrange them according to the beats. After arranging, go to the first clip, then go to Speed. Click on Curve, scroll, and select Flash In. Adjust it properly to match the beat. Now duplicate this clip. After duplicating, select the duplicate clip. Go to Speed again, click on Curve, select Flash Out. Then scroll to the end and reverse the clip. After reversing, go to the first clip. Add a keyframe at the start. Add another keyframe at the end. Now go to the reversed clip. Add a keyframe at the start. Add a keyframe at the end. Now go to the last keyframe of the first clip. Move slightly down on the timeline. Click on Transform. Then click on Advanced. Go to Zoom. Increase the zoom to around 140. Now go to the reversed clip. Set its zoom also to around 140. Now go to the first keyframe of the first clip. Select Linear. Draw a smooth graph like this. Then go to the reversed clip. Draw a similar graph for it. Click Done. Repeat the same process for all the clips. I have edited 3 clips with transitions like this. Now after these 3 clips, we need to create a zoom animation. For that, we will need some photos. Click on New Project, then add Toji Fushiguro panel photos. After adding them, crop all images to a 1:1 ratio. Now set the duration of all clips to 0.3 seconds. Then go to the first clip. Click on Animation, go to Basic Scroll and add the Zoom 1 effect. Repeat the same Zoom 1 animation for all clips. After adding, export this in high quality. Now go back and import the exported clip. Then go to Speed, click on Normal, adjust it so the clip becomes around 0.5 seconds. Now add a Toji Fushiguro PNG. After adding, go to the start and add a keyframe. Then go to the end and add another keyframe. Now slightly zoom the PNG. At the starting keyframe, drag it a little downward. Keep the ending position as it is. Now go to Graph. Select Linear. Draw a smooth graph like this. After that, export this transition clip in high quality. Now go back to your main project timeline. After the 3 speed ramp clips, add this newly exported zoom transition clip. Now again, edit 2 more clips with speed ramp. I'll do it quickly. After that, we will create a simple zoom in effect. Add the zoom clip we exported. Arrange it according to the beat. Duplicate the clip. Then reverse it. Now our video is almost ready. Duplicate all these clips and place them ahead one by one. After arranging everything, the video is ready. Now we will apply the final filter. Go to Filters. Select the 4K filter. Adjust it and apply it to the full timeline. Now go to Export Settings. Set resolution to 1080p. Set frame rate to 60 FPS. Adjust the bitrate, Mbps, according to your need. Export in high quality.